The Omni-System Plus is typically equipped with a joystick and cylinder panel. These devices enable the user to control cylinder functions such as the hoist, front plow, and other applications such as the wings and scrapers if applicable. To use the joystick, first select the cylinder mode by pressing the appropriate button on the joystick. The cylinder mode selected will appear on the top section of the touchscreen. Second, press the safety trigger to engage the operation. To lift or lower the plow, make sure the mode is selected, squeeze the safety trigger, and move the joystick forward to lower the plow and back to lift the plow. To angle the plow, move the joystick left or right. The hoist operates in the same manner. Select the appropriate mode, squeeze the safety trigger, and move the joystick back to raise the dump body or forward to lower it. To use a cylinder panel, simply press the appropriate directional button. When actuated, the button changes from green to red to provide user feedback that the electrical signal is being relayed to the appropriate valves. The Omni-System Plus can be equipped with optional plow modes known as Standard Plow Float or Power Float modes. Standard Plow Float mode allows single-acting cylinders to more easily follow the contour of the road when engaged. Power Float mode is able to take a portion of the plow weight off the road surface for easier driving maneuverability and enhanced plow blade life. These operating modes can be engaged by either pressing the plow down button twice in a 2-second interval, or deflecting the joystick forward and double tapping the safety trigger. When engaged, the cylinder button will latch red. Simply pull back on the joystick or press the plow up to disengage this operating mode. Contact Muncie Power for questions on your system's plow float configuration.